There is a voice in the night, and it doesn't use words. Just listen. This walking meditation is designed to clear your mind, to reduce any stress, anxiety you may had during the day. You may pick some bad vibes and struggle to relax. Very steady and slow walking. As you step first 3 steps forward, you count 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. And again. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Steady breathing. Count 3 and 4 on your exhales. Why it's important to count? It prevents your mind from wandering. Good night.